In this video, I'm going to show you how fast you can create a course with the Everlesson system. Now, I'm over here on my dashboard. If I scroll down, I'm going to come in here to this membership called Easy Guitar Lessons. This membership contains courses pertaining to guitar lessons. So if I go inside this membership, you'll see that there are 3 courses. The first, Spanish guitar. The second, electric guitar. The third, acoustic guitar. Now, what I want to do is I want to create a brand new course, and I want to call it Guitar Playing 101. So I took just a few minutes and I laid out my course. So here's the description for the course. In this course, you're going to learn the very basics of playing guitar. I want to have 4 video lessons inside this course. The first is going to be Welcome to the Course. The second is the right tab books to buy. The third is starting off with power chords. And the fourth is playing our first song. Here's the description for each one of these lessons. I want to sell this on PayPal for $197. And inside this course, I'm going to include training modules, resources, and groups. I also want to have monetization. I want to have banners and news tickers. I want it to be public access. I want to drip feed my content every 2 days. So they're going to receive this lesson, and then 2 days later, they're going to receive this one. 2 days later, they're going to receive this one, and then they're going to receive this one. I also want to have a rating system so that they're able to rate my course and give me testimonials that I can include on my sales page. And then finally, I want to have resources on each and every page. So that's the game plan. I'm going to pull this over here on the other side of the screen. I'm going to go ahead and bring out a timer, and we're going to go ahead and click start. And here we go. The timer is going. I'm going to come over here and I'm going to click on the wizard. Now, you see, the first thing is, let's get started creating your course. Now, I can either build it myself or the team can build it for me. I'm going to go ahead and choose to build my own course. Next, it's asking me, how do you want to create your product? Is it a new product, or do you want to import in an existing product? I'm going to go ahead and create a new product. Now we're going to set up our product. So the name of my course is Guitar Playing 101. Here is the description. Go ahead and put that there. I'm going to go ahead and choose an image. I'll say insert. Now my image is there. I don't need to worry about a logo right now. I'll go ahead and disable that. I'm going to click next step. Now it's asking me, is your course free or paid? Well, I'm going to have a paid package on PayPal for $197. Next step. Let's create your package names. The name of my paid package is going to be All Access. I'm going to go ahead and next step. Let's create your package description. So my package description is going to be training modules, resources, and groups. That's going to be my content. And then my description is, this is our beginner course for learning guitar lessons. And I'm going to go ahead and click next step. Now it's asking me to set up my payment options. I'm going to come over here. I'm going to choose PayPal. And remember, we're going to sell it for $197. This course has a value of $247. And I'm going to click Save. Now my payment options have been set up. Next is asking me, what type of video lessons do you need? If we look at our list again, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 video lessons. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to type in 4, next step. Now it's asking me, what are the names of my lessons? So the first one is, I have Welcome to the Course. Next, I have the right tab books to buy. Next, we have starting off with power chords. Finally, we have playing our first song. And I can add more lessons if I want. I can add articles, I can add free giveaways, but I'm going to go ahead and click next step. Now it's asking me to put in my descriptions for these individual titles. So the first one is right here. The second one right here. The third one right here. And the fourth one right here. Next step. Now it's asking me to go ahead and add my videos. Now if I open this up here, I can click on Add New Video, and I can pull in from YouTube, Vimeo, Wistia, S3, Dropbox, plain source code, or HTML5. I'm going to come over here to YouTube, and I'm going to go ahead and pull this video right here. So we're going to go ahead and skip this ad, and I'll go ahead and copy this URL right here. And I'll come in here, I'll put YouTube video URL. My title will be Guitar Playing 101, and then I can go ahead and put a tag here. And we'll go ahead and click next step. Now I can come over here and I can do the same exact thing for the second one. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and insert a video from my library. So I'll go ahead and click insert this video. Now we'll come over to this one and go ahead and do the same thing. And I can go ahead and do it with this one. So that's how easily you're able to bring in your videos once they're inside your library. Now we're going to click Next Step. Now, Everlesson is asking us, what features would you like to have inside your membership? So the first thing is, I want to have banners and pop-ups and news tickers. So I'll go ahead and choose monetization. Next, I want my product to be what's called public access. So I'll click this button here. I want to drip feed it every 2 days. And I want to come over here, add resources, and I want to have a rating system. Now I'm going to click Next Step. And so it's asking me how many days you'd like to drip feed your individual lessons. I'm going to say every 2 days. Next step. Now we're going to come over here and we're going to load our resources. So we'll open up the first one, click on New Resource, and I'll just put guitar tablature. And this is your tab book to help you with the course. And I'm going to come over here and put an external URL. guitarsecrets.com/tab01. Now, that's not a real URL, but you get the idea. So I'll come over here and I'll say submit. Now I want that PDF or that document to be on all 4 of these lessons. So we're going to open this up, click on Use Existing Resource, and it's already clicked. I'm going to say Assign Resource. Now we're going to come over to this next one, Use Existing Resource, Assign Resource. And we'll come over here to this one, and we'll click on Use Existing Resource, Assign Resource. Now we're going to come down here and say Next Step. It's asking me to go ahead and include my rating system. So you see we have 4 questions already. What did you think of the presenter? Were the steps presented in a clear manner? Are you confident you can learn guitar? And how satisfied are you with this course? I can come over here and click Add New Question. Do you think you can play guitar now? And I click Save. Now my rating system is all set up. And so you can see the wizard will walk you through the whole entire process of everything that you want to set up automatically, where you're not having to hunt around for things. And when you're all done, it's going to give you a link to your sales page, all of your free access links, and it's even going to provide you with a login URL where you're able to give this to your members. So if I open up the timer, you'll see that we are 7 minutes and 30 seconds in. So let's go ahead and stop the timer, and I'll show you what we created. Okay, so let's see what we got. We'll go ahead and take the sales page link here, and we'll go ahead and open this up. I'm going to do this in another browser so that I am not logged in. Okay, so there's our sales page. That was created automatically for us. So you see that we have our options available down here, and our course is ready to be sold for $197. If I click the Buy Now button, it's going to take me over here to the secure checkout, and everything's good. So if we come back over to this page here, we also have this free access link. So if I go ahead and copy this link here, and I'll go ahead and open this up in another browser real quick. There is our sign-up page. This was automatically created for us, so anybody that enters their name and email here is going to get instant access to our course, and they're going to be put inside of our autoresponder at the same exact time. Now, I have the ability to very easily change this page. I can also add a video in the background. I can change the headlines and everything else. And it's actually a very easy process with our EasyClick page builder. Now, before I let you go, let me show you what the customer sees. So I'm going to come over here to this other tab, and here is our login screen. I'm going to go ahead and log in with my customer details. And you see that we're taken over here to the dashboard. And these are all the courses inside of this membership: Spanish guitar, electric guitar, acoustic guitar, and guitar playing 101. If we click on this here, this is what we just created a minute ago. So you can see that we have all the lessons here. And if I click in here, you'll see that this is exactly what we just created. So you can see all this happened for us automatically. We didn't even have to do anything. Now let me show you some of the other courses inside this membership so you can get a good idea how powerful Everlesson really is. So we'll come over here to this Spanish guitar course, and we'll open this up. And you'll see that we've got this countdown timer deployed. We have banners over here on the side. And if I go into my first lesson, you'll see exactly what this looks like. And what I can do is I can click this little button here, and the video goes to full size. I've got all my related modules down below. I've got comments coming in on the system. It is a very, very powerful platform, and everything is done for you automatically. You don't have to do anything. But there's one more thing I want to show you. If I come over here and if I click on Store, you'll see here is the store page that is automatically created for you. You don't even have to do anything. And this features all the products inside your membership. And then if I come over here to this individual one, you will see the sales page that was just automatically created when we created the Guitar Playing 101 course. So now I think you understand the power of the Everlesson platform.